Keep hands clean and conditioned with Ecolution Foaming Institutional Hand Cleaner, State's Green Seal certified hand soap that contains mild detergent and conditioners that transforms into a rich foam for effective cleaning. This unique liquid hand soap foams when pumped into a lather that provides excellent coverage for the best hygiene practices. Best of all, it leaves hands smelling fresh and feeling soft, unlike other institutional hand soaps that dry out skin and cause irritation. When combined with State's Soap Factory Pro, Ecolution Foaming Institutional Hand Cleaner will prevent waste that typically happens with messy liquid soaps. Each pump of soap gets any cleaning job done. Simply lather vigorously and rinse. Ecolution Foaming Institutional Hand Cleaner, part of State's complete Ecolution product line. Each solution is biodegradable, non-toxic, and shipped in recyclable packaging. Many products in the line also come with third-party certifications, including EPA Safer Choice, Green Seal, and Eco Logo. Ecolution Foaming Institutional Hand Cleaner is perfect for all types of restrooms, hand washing stations and kitchens, schools or restaurants, and anywhere an institutional hand soap is desired. Ecolution Institutional Hand Cleaner, another great product by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.